Hey, I'm John Casmus. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love shrimp, and most importantly, I worship fried shrimp. Ever since I was a little boy at my granddad's restaurant, I have loved fried shrimp, and I'm gonna share with you a recipe that goes back for generations on how to cook the perfect fried shrimp. It's super simple, it won't break the bank, and most importantly, they are absolutely delicious. So we're gonna get these shrimp prepped and ready to go into this fryer and show you how to make these amazing shrimp.
How about that, boys and girls? Woo!
So what we've got here, we've got 4 pounds of shrimp. These are fresh Gulf shrimp. We live in Alabama, so we're close to the Gulf. If you can get some fresh frozen shrimp, they'll work just the same. You're gonna wanna devein these shrimp, and I'm not gonna tell you now how to do it, but we'll put a link in the video on how you can go learn how to devein shrimp. You're gonna peel them, and now we're gonna put some buttermilk on top of them, and that's gonna tenderize them and let them sit there. Listen, you can do this for 6 hours, 7 hours, or you can do it for 2, but a minimum of 2 hours. And we're gonna be liberal with our pepper and our salt. And again, kosher salt, not regular table salt, kosher salt, and a bunch of it. It works out great. Take a spoon and just simply toss these around. Let them get completely covered with the buttermilk. Let the salt and pepper get distributed evenly throughout the entire batch of shrimp. Tails are on. I like the tails. Somebody, listen, I'm a piranha. I'll eat all the tails on the table, but some people don't like them. I love them, good protein. Leave the tails on, they fry better, easy to pick up. There you go, 2 hours in the refrigerator, a minimum, and up to 7. All right, so we have our shrimp in the refrigerator, buttermilk, salt, and pepper all over. We're gonna leave them a couple hours. There's nothing better to me than tartar sauce with my fried shrimp. I'm not a cocktail sauce guy, so we're going with tartar sauce today. Fresh mayonnaise, we're gonna start with. We're gonna take it out. Recipe's gonna be with you, so don't worry about it. I'm not gonna count for you right now, but look, check this out. There's our mayonnaise. Now, we're gonna add just a tiny bit of Worcestershire. Don't get crazy with this. It'll change it just a little bit. That's one big dash. And then most importantly, sweet relish, one of my favorites. And I'm very liberal with that, a huge heaping spoon of that. And then a little bit of fresh lemon. There you go, about a half a squeeze. Beautiful. There we go, more pepper and our kosher salt. Don't forget, kosher salt's the name of the game. Boom. So the key to this tartar sauce is when you mix this up, it's gonna be delicious, but it really needs to get back in the refrigerator to get tightened up, to get some consistency back in it. So mix it up really, really well, just like that. Look at that, looks perfect. Smells great. Smells like tartar sauce, looks like tartar sauce. Hopefully it'll taste like tartar sauce. We'll find out in a minute, but look, that's done, super easy. How easy is all this? Easy. Next, our batter. This is going to be so simple. There's a Ziploc bag, 2/3 cornmeal, 1/3 flour, liberal amounts of salt, liberal amounts of pepper in there in the recipe. That's what we're gonna use to prepare our shrimp to go in that fryer. When that oil gets hot and the shrimp are ready to come out of the refrigerator, we'll be right back and we'll get this in the fryer and rolling right now. All right, you guys, the shrimp have just come out of the refrigerator. I've taken the shrimp and strained them with a colander to get all the buttermilk and the loose liquid off the shrimp. There they are, they look amazing. Here's my batter. This is super simple. My peanut oil is in this pot. It's 350 degrees. So I'm gonna take the shrimp, very simply take them, put them inside this bag with the batter, and we're gonna just toss them around. This is so easy. Anybody can do this. This is great for kids to do. Just shake it up. It's like shake and bake. Remember shake and bake a long time ago? There we go, all the way fully covered. They're gonna come out and they're gonna go straight in the fryer and get the excess off of them, just like that. There we go, beautiful. They're frying, they look great. All right. Sounds good, smells good. Everybody loves fried shrimp. These are gonna cook really, really fast. So this isn't a long cook time. I've got my utensil over here to get these out. There we go. After they've cooked for about 15, 20 seconds, just give them a light little stir. Just touch them, move them around, make sure they're not sticking together. The oil's perfectly heated. Look at them, they're starting to crisp up. You're looking for a nice golden brown. You don't want them too dark. They're gonna get really tough really quick. Bigger shrimps, obviously cook them longer. Look at that, oh my gosh. So good, I can't wait. I got my tartar sauce. I'm diving right in. How simple is this? This is a menu that you can make with shrimp, coleslaw, fried shrimp, right here, French fries, anything you want. Put them all together for a nice summer meal. They're starting to get golden. I still want to let them go a little bit further. We haven't been in here 2 minutes now, and they're about ready. The anticipation's killing me. All right, that is perfectly cooked. Look at those shrimp. They're crispy, you can already tell. They don't have a lot of grease in them. They're not gonna be soggy. Put them out there on some nice paper towels, on a baking sheet. What I like about my mixture with the batter is that I can see the cornmeal, I can see the little flakes of corn, and that's what I want. I don't like them real floury. I like that corn texture with them. That, to me, makes them a little bit more, just the crunch in them is what I really like, and that corn flavor. Works really well with the cocktail sauce, actually tartar sauce. Don't like cocktail sauce. So check this out. Look at these shrimp. They're perfect, they're crispy. They just came out of the fryer and look at them, they're unbelievable. These are really, really crispy, the tails. Check those shrimp out. Here we go. This is gonna be really hot, but I've been working in a restaurant for a long time, so this isn't gonna bother me one bit. Dip it in there. That is amazing, unbelievable. These are by far, every time I make them, I love them even more. I'd never get them this way anywhere else in a restaurant. Fresh, right from the fryer to the pan, in your mouth with the tartar sauce. Darn hungry. John Cassimus, come back next month, another episode, another great recipe. Simple, great tasting that won't break the bank. Check us out.